I get questions every single day about some strategies that you can use in this meme coin market. Today's video is going to focus on some beginner tactic strategies that you can use every single day to actually learn and try to find the next 100x crypto meme coins. Right now, there's so much potential in meme coins, AI meme coins, DeFi meme coins, AI agents, so much potential. So I'm going to be showing you from start to finish the basics and then some advanced tools that you can use in this crypto meme coin market. If you do enjoy today's video, make sure to smash the like and subscribe because it will support the channel. When I'm trading meme coins, I always use the Telegram trading bot TradeWiz on Solana. I'll leave the link in the video description. You get a massive 10% off all of your meme coin trading fees. You also get free access to their copy trading, smart wallet feature, and also some other features that I'll be deep diving a little bit later on in today's video. Here, it's really easy to instantly enter into a trade. You can instantly enter for 1 sol, 5 sol, and we get given a lot of information about the token. First things first, as a beginner in this meme coin market, a lot of the times we first are given so many crypto meme coins. Look, here just on Dexscreener, we could literally scroll for hours and find hundreds to thousands of different cryptos. Right here, we can see showing pairs 1 to 100 of 154,000. So we could go through here and look at over 150,000 different cryptos. But being a beginner, I'm actually going to show you some tools so we can really narrow it down, potentially only show the top 5, 10, even 15, 20 projects. So then we can deep dive into the most high quality projects, because there's 154,000 projects available right now. How many of those projects will actually be a top meme coin project? Truly, only something like 1 or 2%. Definitely less than 5% of all these tokens available are going to be absolutely top tier crypto projects. So let me show you some specific filters that you can use here on Dexscreener to actually find these top trending coins that do have a lot of potential in the market. Now, before I jump into the specific filters, I do want to show you the type of chart that I am overall looking for. There's many different variations of charts. The ones that I'm truly looking for are either making a support to resistance flip or also have actually came in a strong supportive zone. A lot of the times you'll see coins actually making these really strong waves to the upside where we're making higher highs and higher lows, but we will eventually come to a situation where we are going to have a strong decline in the market. A lot of the times when we do have a strong 80% decline in the market, if this project does have some core fundamental use case, then we will find that even an 80% drop can be extremely bullish. We've seen some of the biggest tokens that are right now well above $1 billion market cap actually hit, say, $100 million market cap, drop down to 20, even $10 million market cap, and then continue well onto the $1 billion market cap. You do need to be careful of coins that are literally just going up and up and up and up and never have any type of pullback. A lot of these types of coins are potentially scam tokens, because what we are looking for is a strong pullback, also lining up with a potential support to resistance flip. So its potential support to resistance flip would actually look like this in the market, where we have a strong push to the upside, get a bit of a rejection, strong push to the upside, get another rejection, one more strong push to the upside. So you would know that this is currently acting as a strong resistance. But what would usually happen is price will eventually get the breakout to this high projection zone. Once you break out of this initial resistance, it will then act as a strong support. So if price is then going to come back, as you know, price never goes directly up. We have a strong wave up, strong wave down, another stronger wave up. So what I'd look for is actually an entry back into this supportive region, because it was initially a resistance, but now it will act as a strong support. So I'm always buying on a pullback, but then buying on a pullback that actually lines up with these confluence zones. Confluence actually being multiple different strategies lining up to give me the same price projection. So if I have a support to resistance flip strategy in this area, with also the EMA strategy that I show in my course also lining up, that would then give us a confluence because we've got two separate strategies actually lining up to say this is a great buying zone. Coming back over to Dexscreener here, let's actually come over to the filters section and select some specific filters. I'll come over to all platforms, select Solana since Solana's the #1 blockchain for meme coins, Radium being the #1 exchange for meme coins. We'll leave the liquidity at 1,000. What we do want to do is set the market cap. So I'm going to set it at a minimum of 300,000. Personally, I find the best market cap zones to actually buy is around the 1 to 2 million to around 5 to 10 million. That actually gives us a lot of leverage because we can get early into the market cap and actually ride those big waves to the upside. I actually put the maximum market cap at 50 million. Then I'll actually put the pair age, minimum pair age of 3 hours, but a maximum pair age of actually 240 hours, which would basically be 1 week or 10 days. Then I'll actually put 24-hour volume. So the 24-hour volume, I do want to actually have more than $500,000 in 24-hour volume. Then I'm going to come down and change the 5-minute volume because I want there at least to be $35,000 in the last 5 minutes of volume and at least $500,000 in the last 24 hours. A lot of the time I actually prefer to change this to maybe 750,000 or 800,000. But for this example, 500,000 is absolutely perfect. So once you put all of your filters in, you can actually hit apply. Then we also click on this profile section to ensure that the specific token does have a profile like an X account or a website. And what we can do is when we scroll down, see that we don't now have over 154,000 different cryptos. We literally got only 20 cryptos that actually fit our specific filters that are only created just in the last couple of days. They have a really good amount of trading volume that do have a profile. So you're really able to narrow down to find these top cryptocurrency projects by using these specific filters that I have been showing you. Now let's begin by opening up some of these top trending meme coins and actually have a look if they line up with any specific technical analysis. And then I'll show you exactly how I actually manually buy into these projects and then automatically sell. So I actually set that up right now using TradeWiz. But first, let's jump into some technical analysis. To here, we've found one of these top trending coins currently sitting at about a $10 million market cap. One of the first things that I do notice is this region was instantly acting as a resistance. We got a strong breakdown to the downside. Then when we get the breakup, you will see that these levels, initially resistance, will then act as a support. We get a big breakout above. Where does price come back to and then make a big jump to the upside? We came exactly back to the old resistance, flipped as support, and then made a huge movement to the upside, more than 100% gains. So let's say that this was a potential token that I was interested in, because what I would actually wait for in this instance right here is right here we do have a bit of another resistance. Every time price tried to come above this level, it got the failure. So what I would do is actually wait for a big break above, let's say to this $20 million market cap zone. Once we got a break above to the 20 million market cap zone, expect a small retracement. And where would a high probability zone for the retracement be? This initial resistance zone, then acting as a support. I then look to enter it around this $15 million market cap zone and look for more than 100% push to the upside. One of the ways that I really like to take advantage of this market, so let's actually grab the contract address for this particular token. So in this top right hand side, we can click copy. And now we've address copied to clipboard. I'm going to come over to TradeWiz. So all I need to do is literally just paste in the order. So I can just paste it in right here. And you can see I'm actually given all the details about this specific token. If I was to click buy, I'd instantly be entered in. You can see 0.2, 0.5, 1 sol, 5 sol. You can change all of these specific settings. So let's actually set up manually buying so that once I was to manually buy and say enter for 2 Solana, it will automatically set up my sells in the market. So we'll come over to menu, we'll hit start, and now we'll come over to this start menu and you can see manual buy and auto sell. So when we click on here, you can see right now it's paused, but we can activate it and actually set up auto stop loss, auto buying, and then auto selling in the market. So we'll set up our take profit or stop loss. I'm actually going to put a stop loss at minus 35%. So I'll put minus 35. You can see this is my stop loss. And the amount percentage is 100%. So if the price was to go down by minus 35%, I'll get out 100% of my position. And this is really useful because when I manually buy, like I showed you here, I click, let's buy for 5 Solana. As soon as I buy in for 5 Solana, all of these settings will actually kick in once I click here and activate them. The next thing I like to do is set up some automatic take profit zones. So let's say at 100% gain, I want to get out 25 or 50% of my position. So we can set that up. You can see take profit right here. I'm going to set that up as 100. So once we make a 100% gain at our take profit, what is the amount of tokens that I want to sell? I'm actually going to be getting out 50% of my tokens. So this will allow me to automatically free ride on my trade. So if I get out 50% of my position at 100% gain, I've basically already made my initial capital back. And then the remainder of those tokens, I can actually hold as a moon bag to look for those even higher momentum pushes. What I can even do is, let's say a 200% gain, I can sell out another 25%. I can even add more and even add more at 300% gain, at 400% gain. You can even set up multiple stop losses. So here, it's really, really easy to automatically set up your manual buy and auto sell. Now I'll click active, and now this is active in the market. So if I go back here and now purchase for 2 Solana or 5 Solana in this particular coin, I'll automatically have my sells set up. I have my stop loss set up. I have my take profit target set up. So it makes it really, really easy to manual trade these meme coins. I also have a way that you can use copy traded and an automated trading strategy, but I'll save that for a future video as I've already gone through that in the past. So there we go. We've now set up manual trading and even coming back into this supportive zone. Although when we come back into this supportive zone for a second time, it's not as high a probability play. But again, where is this zone that it's actually bouncing off? We're at that $6 million market cap. Now we're already at 8 million. We're up nearly 50%. Why? Because this region is a higher liquidity zone. That's why I'm consistently teaching you how to trade meme coins. I go over in absolute crazy depth in my Memecoin Mastery and Copy Trading Masterclass. They're currently a massive Christmas sale discount, so make sure to check them out in the video description before the price increases. And the goal would be to continuously use this strategy day in and day out on so many different cryptos. Here, I've found another meme coin, and again, we can use my very, very strong support to resistance flip strategy. All through this region, we know that this region is acting as resistance because price actually comes up and has what type of rejection? That's over a 54% rejection when we came into this zone. And right now we've had major breakout above this resistance. And now where are we actually getting support? We're getting support where this old resistance level was. Actually pushed down and nearly made a 50% gain at current price. Actually all the way up more than a 56% gain. You can really easily actually scalp these trades by either setting up some limit orders. So you can even set up some limit orders back here. You can see when we actually paste it in the specific token, we can set up limit orders right here. So if you know that the token was trading all the way at this price, but you want to select the limit order to put it back when price comes back to this support to resistance flip, you can set up your limit order, take advantage of that supportive structure, take advantage of also saving more than 50% on your position, and then look for that strong wave to the upside. So I'm continuously opening up all of the strongest coins from today and looking for these strong support to resistance flip trading strategies. I also use my EMA trading strategy where I add the moving average exponential to the chart. I double click, change the actual EMA over to the 20 length. I've gone through this in many, many videos, and I only ever trade in the direction of the slope. So if the slope of the EMA is up and positive, I only buy. But if the EMA is down and only negative, then I only sell. So right here, there's not much opportunity on this particular coin, but I continue to open all of these coins up as I showed you. Now, there's only 15 coins that are hitting my specific filters. So I'm doing this multiple times every day, coming back to my specific filters, finding these top trending meme coins, using my technical analysis, using all my specific trading tools to my advantage to actually profit in this meme coin market. So that's how you can become a meme coin trading master, by adding all of these different tools together, different technical analysis tools, different Telegram trading tools. Don't forget to check out my trading courses in this video description for that massive percentage off. And Check out TradeWiz in the video description, get a massive 10% off all of your meme coin trading fees and free access to copy trading. If you have enjoyed today's video on meme coins, make sure to smash the like and subscribe because I'll be seeing you in the next video.